I'm Ty with WTI, and these are my Utopia pillow protectors. I purchased these pillow protectors because pillows can get pretty gross, and I intend on keeping these for a long time. And so I purchased these. I purchased some for my bedroom and some for my guest bedroom, which I'm in now. What I love about these pillow protectors is that they have this zip closure, so I don't have to worry about them slipping off or my pillows coming out of them during the night. And they are water resistant, so any type of water or moisture that could get on the pillows is protected by this pillow protector. This is a good quality, good material protector. I ran it through the washer many times and it comes out just the same. And it doesn't make a lot of noise. So if or when you're tossing and turning throughout the night, you don't really hear it. So I've been overall super happy with these pillow protectors. And that's my point of view.